Procrastination, putting off the big decision. The future me is on it, man. I'm flipping leaves, I'm turning pages. Still can't pick from either either. We have come here to fuck spiders. Down and out and round about. Just can't seem to work.
G'day ladies, gents and everybody in between. We are down at the Hunter Valley Mechanical Company, aren't we, Wilbur? Look,
Nice, mate.
look, there's Wilbur. There's Outback.
Hello.
We're all over it. Even Big Cheese is over here. Look at him.
What do we got here?
What do we got here? Oh. All right, where were we, Jack?
Here, we were here.
We were here. Oh, Newcastle's finest detailing product, all made locally in the Hunter Valley of Newcastle. What is it, Jack? Motion.
Yep.
Motion Co.
You can get it exclusively at Garage Talk for the moment.
That's exactly right. www.garage-talk.com is where you can find that product, and you'll see it in a few stores too, won't you, Jack?
Yeah, you will.
That's right.
One of them's here.
One of them's here.
Why don't you tell them what we're doing here?
We are at the Hunter Valley Mechanical Company for a grand opening today. Yeah, we're out here today having a bit of fun, setting it all up. Shop looks absolutely fantastic. Amy and Jeff have done a really, really good job of getting it all together. We're waiting on a jumping castle to come out, apparently, and petting zoo as well, which is interesting. But there's already a shit ton of cars here. All right, let's skip forward to the future. As I said, in the future, shit is starting to fill up like crazy. Look at this. Oh, hello. There's stuff everywhere here. It's amazing. Wow. We're going to keep walking around and we'll be back again. Oh, there's Amy. How stressed are you?
Stressed, 10 out of 10.
That's the best. What do you got there, Willie? You ready, Big Cheese? Are you going to have some of that, mate, or what?
Oh, this is only for him, mate.
Let's go take a bit of a view around here. There's a bit of stuff going on, eh? A little bit going on around here. Let's go have a look at the shed first. It's probably the best idea, to be quite frank. Is that Cohen? Hey, buddy.
That's left hand. Good going out.
That's left hand shaking. Oh, that's. Is that skiing, Jack?
Russell Coit handshake.
As you guys can see, there is a lot of cars here. It's actually pretty nuts at the moment. And there's stuff parking on the road too, which is sick. It's a really, really good day so far. We've only just hit 10 o'clock, so a little bit scary, but damn, the quality of car here is just madness, yet again. Typical garage talk fashion. But yeah, it's sick. There's Lily. Hi, Lil. Bye, Lil. Oh man, this is mad. Check this thing out. This is sick. Hey, Timmy.
How are
Look at
we?
this. Handshakes. I'm
Good going out.
not letting go of him now.
Yep, no, come in.
Now, oh, yeah, Tiger Love. Nah.
Look at this, what's going on?
What's going on, Timmy? What is going
There's a
on?
little bit going on.
There's a bit going on.
Yeah, had to park halfway down the street.
Yeah, it looked like it, man. It's pretty mental, but the cars here are madness, bro. Absolute
Go for it.
madness. Let's at least say, I think it's beers after this for sure, eh?
Oh, let's go. It's
Dangerous?
Never too late. Let's
Fast
go.
forward to beers.
Right.
What are you doing, Jack?
Yeah.
Bit of a clean-up demo, mate.
Yeah.
I left my car filthy for you for that reason.
Thanks for that. I'll do my race car actually. It's fucking filthy. I don't want to do your car.
That is good shit, but.
But yeah. So, and if you...
What are you doing, bro? You got a coffee?
Shout out Quick Clack Caparel.
Oh, look at that. Look at these.
The power ready to go.
Beautiful sunnies. Coffee in hand, pink drink bottle. I'm guessing that's probably Sab's.
The wife, mate.
Ah, that'll do that. That'll do that to you.
Yeah.
Ah, well. Good turnout, Timmy.
Yeah, pretty good.
Good turnout. Let's go check out more of these cars, I reckon.
Quality.
Definitely good quality. Oh, look, there's familiar faces. I know these faces. What's going on?
How are you?
Stressed out.
You're stressed out.
It's pretty much the same as last week, really. But there's less room here, so we're doing good.
Yes, exactly.
Are you just by yourself or
No. The boys are all over there.
Oh,
Timmy's
yeah,
over
I saw
there.
that, yeah.
Jack's over the back.
Yeah.
Will is, I don't know.
Around.
He's around. He's somewhere. Amy's running somewhere. Yeah, probably.
Socializing.
I'll go find someone. Look at this bloke. Who is this?
Turbo Daisy.
Is that Turbo Daisy? Is she not Daisy Diesel today?
No, Turbo Diesel Lazy.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Timmy,
that's
we're agreed on
my
that?
pick. Yeah.
All right.
You agree?
I agree. So, picking the VL, Jackie has pointed out that it's got a V, an RB26 in it. Crosses my heart. Tim's just a Holden man from way back. And look, Jack loves a good VL.
It's gonna have to be.
It's going to be VL.
It was nearly a GDR.
Bro, that's solid. This one's got GDR.
Actually, it was between that and the 32.
That's what got me. Yeah. Alrighty. Here's the fun part.
We still need to do an episode of it.
We do. Couple.
Yes, the closest number was Mick Foot.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that's been a bit of a successful day, I would say. It's awesome here. It's been great. Cars filled the lot. People won some prizes. We're pretty happy here at Garage Talk. It's pretty good. Nah, it's been bloody awesome. But yeah, stay tuned till the next episode, eh, Timmy?
Stay tuned. We'll see you then.
See you later, Tigers.
Got a little bit on here.
You got a bit on?
Bloody beautiful.
Well, this is going in the last part of the video, the bloopers for sure. How is it, mate?
I've got a bit going on here. I need a bib.
Can we call it Timmy Chews? That's a good new segment, Timmy Chews. The truck stop. Oh, pit stop. Pit stop.
Oh, Tim's towing and pit stops.
Tim's telling to pit stops. What would you give that out of 10, Timmy? What do you reckon?
Yeah, I'm definitely a 10. Have a go at that.
It's a 10. Oh, it looks good, man. It does look good. Well, that'll do it.
Bullets everywhere. Love is.
Oh.